Okay, first one of the day, new client with his little Yamaha MT07. This is in for one of our legendary full Monty valets. This is going to get a whole heap of trot love. Doesn't look like it's been properly cleaned in some time. We'll get all this disc mine. Let's do that again. We'll get all this chain cleaned up, all the sprocket cleaned up. I will clean up all those wheels, all the nitty gritty bits down there. We'll all get a bit of trot love. More than anything, we'll get this exhaust all minted up like new. She's pretty rusty, but we should be able to get that up. We'll get all these calipers cleaned up, disc cleaned up, get it looking like it should for the summer ahead. Clean up these coolant pipes. We'll probably lightly sand those and paint them. Yeah, and then we'll get some XCP corrosion protection on all the motor, all your banjo bolts, all the little bits and pieces which I know corrode, and get it looking like it should. These exhausts are a bit of a job to polish up these, but we will do what we can. I might even treat it to a little bit of ceramic once it's finished. Ceramic works really well on this matte finish, gives it just that right amount of sheen. More than anything, gets it properly protected. Looks like he's got a bit of a seeping fork seal, but yeah, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get cracking and work a little trot magic. Watch this space. Go 2.5 hours on the dot. This Yamaha MT07 has been trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets. All the exhausts have been minted up, all up underneath, sanded down the coolant pipes, painted those. Everything's had a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection. I did dust these wheels with a little bit of satin black as they had a few chips in them. All the chains been re-lubed. Absolutely gleaming. All done in 2.5 hours. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.